Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a glitter video. Hi. I thought this look would be a really great glittery look for absolutely any festival, or if you want to use it for Halloween, or if you want to I don't know, use it for anything, you guys. So this is what I came up with. Very purple, very coral, goes with the current aesthetic on the Instagram. I hope you guys like it. If you want to learn how I got this hair and also this makeup, then just keep on watching.
All right guys, we're jumping into this beautiful Sephora palette that I have right here. We're going to use this orangey coral color, kind of matches my backdrop here. And we're just going to, I didn't like super blend this out, just kind of patted it into the crease. And then I'm going to blend it out with this lighter shade from the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. It's just a tad bit lighter, and I'm just using this brush from Morphe Brushes to do so. And then I took a matte yellow shade from this beautiful Carroty palette to then really blend it out. And then taking this orange shade, and I'm just going to blend it on the inner and outer corners. And then I'm going to take this dark purple shade mixed with the pink. As you can see, it really wasn't creating any pigmentation on my eye at all. I think just the tons of shadows on the eye already kind of forced it to not really give me any pigmentation. So what I did, I originally was going to go for kind of like a center cut crease, but I ended up cutting the crease all the way through the entire eye. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to go back a little bit and apply the same steps. I went with the dark purple on the outer and on the outer corner, so the inner corner and the outer corner, and then I'm going to apply that like pinky purple as a transition between the direct center and the darker purple. I also had some difficulty with this next part coming up, but I'm just going to apply these really iridescent purples right in the center, and then I'm going to apply this next iridescent purple in the center. The issue that I had with this eye was obviously that pigmentation, and then this beautiful ballet slipper glitter shadow from Stila was just not working for me. So I think it was just like a little dried up and a little old. Have to get myself a new one because it's my favorite color. But I'm gonna apply some MAC glitter on top, and then we're gonna move on to eyeliner. For the eyeliner, I'm using the NYX Vivid eyeliner, the lavender color. I'm gonna do kind of like a thicker liquid liner, or a thicker wing, and then I'm going to go back in with another liner. The Butter London liner that I'm using is actually from their Pantone collection, not this year, I think last year, and it is a dark purple. It's almost black, but it has like little specks of purple in it. But I'm just going to use that to really get as close to the lash line as possible. I'm applying some mascara. This is the Lights Camera Lashes from Tarte, and then I'm going to apply some lashes because this look would not be complete without them. So the falsies I'm using are from Tarte, and that's what the eye look looks like. We're going to move on to some eyeliner. I'm using this Graph Black eyeliner from MAC on the top waterline, and then the bottom waterline I'm using this very silvery lavender color from Maybelline. Then for the face, I'm applying my Lorac Illuminating Primer all over my face, and then we need to apply a pore filler primer. This is the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. I'm just going to apply that everywhere, and then I'm actually going to take my fingers and blend it out so it doesn't clump up or anything with our foundation. I've been using this foundation for a while now. It is the Found Sealer from Tarte. I actually really like it. I've been using all of the neutral shades, so as I just get tanner and tanner, I just keep going a little bit darker. But you guys know I always like to mix, so I've been mixing a lot too. So I'm going to apply that to my face with a beauty blender, and I'm going to blend as much as I can. And then I'm using this NARS concealer in the color Custard and applying that in all of the highlight areas. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in and just blend that all out. So after I have blended all of the concealer out with a brush and a beauty blender, I'm going to move on to powder. I'm using 2 powders for this look. I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder underneath my eyes and in all of the highlight areas or any areas where I get oily the most, which is basically my T-zone. I'm then going to jump into my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. I've been really loving just the finish that this gives my entire face, and it's been beautiful lately, so I just applied that everywhere else. For blush, I'm using this Carity blush palette. I think this is Coral Kaboom, if I say so, I think. And then I'm gonna just finish off by applying all of the shadows underneath my eyes before I move on to bronzer. I'm using the bronzer from Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess Bronzer. And then going to spray the Tarte Mer Mist all over my face. It has such a beautiful lavendery purple shine to it. And then I'm going to apply the highlighter from that same blush palette on all of the highlight areas of my face. So Cupid's bow, nose, cheekbones. And then I decided that the highlight was a little too silvery for me, so I wanted to kind of golden it up a little bit. So I took the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter just to mix it together. And then I went back to the other highlighter mixed with the Anastasia, and I put that in the inner corners and brow bone. And then gonna finish off the eyes by applying some waterproof mascara on the bottom lashes. And then for the lips, I'm gonna be lining them with the Buxom Plump Line lip liners, and I am using a lighter one to line my whole lip, and then a darker one just to kind of blend it out. I'm using a MAC lipstick in the center, and then finishing off the lips with this absolutely beautiful lip gloss from Artist Couture. Spray in my face one more time, and then I'm going to actually spray my entire body with this Tarte Mer Mist. I tell you guys, in person it looks so beautiful. So for the hair, you guys, I'm going to be mixing mousse. I'm specifically using the OGX coconut mousse, and I'm going to mix it with any, you can mix it with whatever glitter that you want. I chose just coral and purples, things like that. So I'm going to apply it to my part, and then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just ombre it or blend it down so that it kind of has kind of like an ombre effect. And then I'm just going to take the glitter in between my hands, and I'm going to apply it to my neck, my décolleté, my chest, my shoulders, and then I take the glitter and I apply it to the highest part of my cheekbones, and then kind of almost create this glitter crown with the glitter on my forehead, and then apply whatever's left to my hair. I'm going to set everything with some OGX hairspray so that it doesn't go anywhere, and then I am done, you guys. That's it. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. So I love you guys so much. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen, and check out all of my other videos right here. Love you guys so much. Hope you enjoyed this look, and I'll see you next time.